To defraud and civil capacities. The legal system is multifaceted, requiring a nuanced understanding of various laws, roles, and jurisdictions. This document explores the distinctions between civil and public capacities and their relevance to allegations of conspiracy to defraud. It also outlines actionable remedies for individuals seeking to address these issues effectively. Conspiracy to defraud. Overview. A conspiracy to defraud involves an intentional agreement between two or more parties to deceive, often for financial gain. Examples include the wrongful appropriation of assets or falsification of legal documents. Proving conspiracy requires demonstrating intent and concrete acts executed in furtherance of the fraud. Understanding these elements provides individuals with the tools to identify and act against such schemes. Civil capacities and legal remedies. Civil capacity refers to the legal rights and obligations that apply to private disputes, contrasting with public laws that govern broader societal regulations. Addressing fraud in a civil context enables individuals to challenge public entities and institutions on a private basis. Remedies in civil capacities include filing complaints in civil courts and seeking restitution for damages or rights violations. Revoking public obligations. Many individuals inadvertently bind themselves to public jurisdictions through agreements such as Social Security registration, driver's licenses, or insurance policies. To regain autonomy. Revoke underwriting. Formally notify relevant authorities of your intention to rescind agreements where you acted as an underwriter. File civil complaints. Transition disputes to civil courts, emphasizing harm caused and rights violations. Claim assets. Reclaim personal or estate assets held in trust by providing legal documentation such as birth certificates or estate claims. Insurance, bonds, and public jurisdictions. Public obligations are often tied to insurance policies used as collateral for government bonds. By rescinding such agreements and revoking related claims, individuals can legally distance themselves from unwarranted obligations. This process requires careful documentation and adherence to private contractual terms. Practical steps for legal remedy. Scrutinize documentation. Review all contracts, including birth certificates, vehicle titles, and Social Security accounts, for terms tying you to public systems. Draft revocation letters. Explicitly state your intent to revoke public agreements, citing relevant legal statutes. Address civil authorities. Direct your claims to civil offices to avoid entanglement in public jurisdictions. Allege conspiracy where evident. Document and include allegations of conspiracy to defraud when fraud is apparent. Ensure these claims are backed with factual evidence. Educational resources and legal tools. To deepen your understanding, consult resources such as Black's Law Dictionary, historical legal case studies, and statutory laws like 28 U.S.C. Section 1331 and Section 1491. These materials provide valuable context and support for civil legal actions. Additional notes on civil curatorship and private claims. Historically, individuals were expected to claim their civil and estate rights upon reaching maturity, typically at ages 21 and 25 as outlined in constitutional principles. By asserting your role as a civil curator, you can take legal responsibility for your estate, counter public obligations, and reclaim control of misappropriated assets. This process often involves engaging with institutions like the Secretary of the Treasury, emphasizing the civil nature of your claims. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.